Hey guys, it's Katie and welcome back to my channel. I have a quick question for you. Would you like to learn a quick and easy way to determine how long it would take for your money to double? Today, I will share with you one of my favorite investing concepts. It's called the Rule of 72. This rule will help you assess investment opportunities quickly without the need of using any crazy complicated formulas. So if you would like to save time assessing different investments, I highly recommend you watch this video to the very end. So if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Every thumbs up helps with YouTube's algorithm, allowing more people to view this video and learn from it. So before I get started, I just want to ask you a simple question, and that is, what do you think the quickest way to double your money is? Is it by leaving it in the bank? Is it by investing in real estate, stocks? Let me know what you think in the comments below. The Rule of 72 is a simple formula that will help approximate how long it'll take your money to double, given a fixed rate of return. So how does it work? It's surprisingly simple. You just take the number 72 and you divide it by your interest rate. That's it. It's really that simple. So the number you get from taking 72 divided by your interest rate equals the number of years it's going to take to double your money. So let's look at 3 different scenarios to determine how long it'll take for your money to double. Okay, so the first scenario is going to be you putting $10,000 into a bank account, earning 0.5% interest. The second scenario is going to be you putting $10,000 into a high-yielding savings account, which is going to be paying you 2% interest. And lastly, the third scenario is going to be you putting that $10,000 into the stock market that has averaged a return of 8% over the last 50 years. So if we're looking at the first scenario, we're going to take 72 and divide it by 0.05, which will give us 1,440. So that means that it will take your money approximately 1,440 years for your money to double. Now, if we look at the second scenario, we're going to take 72 and divide it by 2, which will give us 36. Again, this means it'll take your money approximately 36 years to double. Lastly, if we take a look at the third scenario, we're going to be taking 72 and dividing it by that average rate of return, which is 8%, which will give us 9. Again, that means it'll take approximately 9 years for your money to double. As you can see, your best alternative is to invest your money in the stock market and let your money compound. I like the Rule of 72 because it's a great tool to teach people the importance of investing. It is a simple way to show the power of compounding and make people realize how much money they're missing out on, and if they don't invest. Now, let me show you a different example. Small differences in interest rates become large differences in earning potential. Let's say you are looking at 2 investments, one paying 3% and the other 4%. So if we use the Rule of 72, you can see that at a 3% interest rate, it'll take approximately 24 years to double your money. Whereas if we use a 4% interest rate, it'll take approximately 18 years to double your money. As you can see, it can take 6 years longer to double your money based on a difference of only 1%. So now, if you had 18 years to start saving for your child's college tuition, that 1% would make such a huge difference in reaching your goals. So the Rule of 72 helps us understand that interest rates really matter. You can also use the Rule of 72 to determine the necessary interest rate required to double an investment in a set amount of time. So let's look at one last example. So in this example, you need to double your money to fund your son's university education that he will be starting in 8 years from now, and you currently have $30,000. So what compound rate of return is required to reach your goal? As you can see, in order to double the $30,000, you will require an interest rate of approximately 9% compounded annually in order to achieve your goal of $60,000. So what's really great about the Rule of 72 is that it can be easily manipulated to help you determine how long it'll take to triple your money. So you can use 115 or to quadruple your money, you can use 144 as a numerator rather than 72. As we discussed, the rule of 72 is so simple, yet so powerful, and should be used when you make investment decisions going forward. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. And if you did, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Please comment below any future topics that you'd want me to speak on in my upcoming videos. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Until next time, guys. Bye.